Hi, I'm Greg Knowles, president of ATI Electrical Supply, and I'm here with Mike Yeary. He owns Prodigious Customs in Pompano Beach, Florida. And he's going to show you later on some welding he's doing on some custom cars and trucks that use welding cable assemblies that we're going to talk about today. So before we get to the welding, we want to talk about some welding cable assemblies that we stock from Power Assemblies. We have them from 2 gauge to 1/0 to 2/0 to 4/0, and they can come either connectorized in black and red, or as you can see up here, we can sell them with bare ends that are just coiled up, ready for you to put the connectors on. So the assemblies that we carry come in various lengths, from 25 foot, 50 foot, 100 foot, or we can build them custom according to your specifications. The ends are LC ends that start from LC10, that go from 2 gauge to 1/0. The LC40s go from 1/0 to 2/0, and the LC40 HDs go from 3/0 to 4/0. These are camlock type connectors that plug into the corresponding gender size and twist to lock into place. LC connectors are often used for structural welding applications. However, if you need welding cables with bare ends or ring lugged ends, we offer that as well. So if you want this product customized in either the length or the ends, you can contact our portable power group at 800-597-9311. And if you want more information about them, you can click on the links in the description below the video. All right, let's start welding.